What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to create a blog in Webflow. Go over to your browser, then search for the Webflow website. Then create a Webflow account by clicking the Get Started button on the top right. You can either use your Google to create your account, or you can also manually create it. When you're done creating your account, it will give you a simple tutorial on how to use the Webflow. Just simply follow the steps and finish it. Once done with the tutorial, go over to the dashboard, then click the All Sites, and click the plus sign icon to create a new site for your blog. After that, select a template, which it will help you keep things simple, especially if you are just starting with your blog. Next, customize the template according to your liking. Update the font by choosing any font from the Google fonts available on Webflow. You can adjust its size and weight to suit the design. Edit the elements on the template and add animations and interactions to make the site experience more immersive. Add images to the blog to reflect the personality of the brand and supercharge your image resolution. Next, update and create your first blog. You can do this in two ways. Add the content within the designer before publishing, or publishing the site and update the content in the editor. After that, publish your website. Go to Project Settings and click on the Publish button on the upper right corner. That's it. The site is live. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.